How do you set the air conditioner when you stay in a hotel in the summer? Most of us don't think twice. We just want to feel cool and comfortable. But setting the temperature too low wastes energy and contributes to climate change. And when we're on holiday, we're even less likely to care. After all, it's not our electricity bill. So how can we encourage hotel guests to use their air conditioners more sustainably? We tested a range of simple, low-cost messages. Some gave simple temperature setting instructions. Some used social norms, like most guests find 23 degrees Celsius to be a comfortable temperature setting. Others took a creative approach, anthropomorphizing the air conditioner. That's right, we named it Aerion, gave it a face, and even emotions like exhaustion and happiness, to see if guests would emphasize and change their behaviour. First, we ran a survey experiment to check if the messages worked as intended. Did the social norms message strengthen normative beliefs? Did the anthropomorphized messages trigger empathy? They did. Then we tested whether these messages changed behaviour. First, in an interactive hotel simulation survey measuring temperature setting intentions. Then in a real Australian hotel using temperature sensors. At the real hotel, social norms and simple instructions worked. Anthropomorphized messages showing negative emotions, such as angry and exhausted, also led to better behaviour. Positive emotions, like calm and enjoyable, they didn't work. The results of the interactive survey didn't match real-world behaviour. The key takeaways: if you want to change behaviour, especially pro-environmental behaviour, we need to test interventions in the real world, not just in surveys. And sometimes an exhausted little air conditioner named Aerion might just do the trick.